Hi, I'm Thelma and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree haul. It's Christmas and some miscellaneous arts and crafts. So without further ado, let's get started. I'd like to start by showing you this Snoopy wrapping paper that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. It says the Peanuts on it. It is 20 square foot by 2 yards, and it's got the Peanuts characters going all around it. It's just beautiful. I've been looking for something like this for a while, and Dollar Tree really did good this year by getting this in. I think I'm going to have to go up there and buy some more. That way I'll have it for next year, just in case they don't get it in next year, because I love the Peanuts. Okay, I have this large red truck gift bag. It is dark, you can tell by the blue background, and you can see the snow falling on the red truck with Santa and a deer in it. Look at all them packages of Christmas presents in the back of the truck. And on the side, it's like a plaid. Look at that, how gorgeous. And it's the same on the back. That's one of the bags that I got. And then I picked up this small one. On this side, it's the piece, because it says Peace on Earth. The piece is in red glitter. The snow's not. There's a beautiful little tree right here on top of it. And the truck, I've never seen one like this. It's green plaid. And it says, Peace on Earth, Happy Trees. And there's a sleigh right here next to it with a little dog inside waiting, to go. He's in there and ready and waiting. And then the side is done in this beautiful blue and black print. Now the back of it is the same, minus the glitter. It's just gorgeous. And I found one more gift bag. It's a little red truck. On the top it says Happy Holidays in red glitter with a bunch of trees in the background. Look at the snow falling and the lights. And look at that red truck. It says Trees for Sale on it. Let's see what the side looks like. Oh, this is gorgeous. I mean, they outdid themselves this time. Look at the side. The snow falling, the trees. That's just beautiful. And the background, the back, the other side of the bag is done in the same way, except for the Happy Holidays is not glitter. I picked up this gift box. This is a different gift box. It just stands up. It has this ribbon on it, and it's a red truck. He's got snow on it, a Christmas tree in the back, and a wreath on the front. Now this is just gorgeous. And it says Merry Christmas on it. Even the sides are done real nice in this. Here's the back. And this is the only size that I've seen. They might have had them and sold out of them. I don't know. If you've seen them and you know, leave a comment and let me know. That way I know whether or not to be on the lookout for them. And then I seen this little gift box, red truck. It says tree delivery, and there's a beautiful tree in the back with some snow on it, a star, and little ornaments. And what I like about the lid on this, it's done in this design, and then the bottom of the tree is done with the bottom of the tree. The bottom of the box is done with trees going all around it. And the same for the top of the side of the top of the box. Look how beautiful that is. I had to pick that up. Now I picked up a bunch of stuffed animals to, for the kiddos to go in their stocking. There's this dark brown bear, this real light beige, and then there's this other light tan bear. And they're real fluffy and soft. I love when you run your hands over, it's just real soft. I mean, it puts you in mind of one of them real plush carpets, you can run your hands over it and it just goes with it. I mean, this is the softest stuffed animal I've ever felt. They're beautiful. And I picked up some of these. Here's Santa, all decked out and ready to deliver presents on Christmas Eve. Here's the snowman. Look at his nose, how it goes. He's got his little scarf on and his little hat. And I had to get the penguin. Look how cute that is. There was a deer too, and I got it, but the kittens, if you've watched my episodes before, you know that I rescued 3 kittens, and they seen the deer and started tugging on it, so I just took the tag off and gave it to them. They've been playing with it ever since. And for my one granddaughter, she loves unicorns, and I had to pick up these. Look how big and plush, the little going down, it's different color, green and yellow, and look how metallic like that is. And this one's a pink one with green and orange on it. There's the orange, and the tail is made out like that too on both of them. And these are at least 10 inches tall. These are real cute. And some more stocking stuffers. I got this Rubik's Cube. It's got like the Joker, not Joker, but I don't know what that is. But anyway, there it is. They have different going around. And I think my granddaughter will have fun playing with this. It's real easy to turn. All of them are. That's what I'm looking for. I forgot to do it in the store. But you just turn them around just like a regular Rubik's Cube, and it works great. Can't beat for $1. And I got some of these little, these are open-toe slippers. This is a small. And I also seen large up there too, but I'm pretty sure they probably had medium too. I picked up this Don't Get Your Tinsel in a Tangle mug. I've been looking for a Christmas mug other than the ones that come in the box that they get. I was unable to find the 3 gnomes and the one with the elf feet on it, and I think there was one more. I don't quote me on that, but I could have swore there was one more. But I was up there and I seen this one. This is the only one it had, so I hurried up and I grabbed it. I picked up some stockings, 2 of these. I already have all the stockings for the family, all but one I did pick up to exchange, and I'll show you that in a minute, for my daughter. But I'm going to use these in crafts. And I found another one of these. Look how beautiful that is. Here's the other one I found like it. But this is the one I was talking about. I'm exchanging hers out for this DC Wonder Woman. And you can see there, it's the real DC Wonder Woman, and there's snowflakes going around, and it's red on the back. I picked up some more of these socks. These are dark blue and white, and these are light blue and a little darker blue. And these also have the, well, this one doesn't, but this one has the little slip guards, you know, so you don't slip and fall. And so does this pink and white one. It has them. And these are from Snugadoo. Yes, from Snugadoo. I've never heard of that name, but then I did a search, and they're kind of popular. I'm just moving to get them over here so I can reach them. I picked up another one of these houses to paint, and I'm going to do something different with it. I'm thinking candy cane going down. I'll show you. I might make that my next DIY. And I picked up another one of these stars because my other one got a little damaged. My kittens got on my crafting table and knocked all the stuff down, and it snapped right through here on one of them. And I'm pretty sure I could glue it back together, but it's so close to Christmas, and I found this one, so I figured might as well just get rid of that one. And I haven't gotten rid of it yet. I'm thinking I might save it for a future craft and just use that part that's broke as the gluing it on top of whatever I'm going to make, which I haven't, I'm semi there with what to use it for, but I haven't quite got it figured out yet. And I found out this Santa's Elves See Everything sign. I just think that's gorgeous. Look how cute he is. And it's all glittered up. See that on his hat? And his feet. And I found a Santa stop here, done basically in the same way as the elf one was. All the glitter, and on his hat, and all through here. I picked up 2 more of these signs. The Let It Snow, Sledding, Build a Snowman, Snowball Fight, Drink Hot Cocoa, Sit by the Fire, and Winter Wonderland. And the other one is Jingle Bells, White Christmas, Ho Ho Ho, Hang Stockings, Oh Holy Night, Trim the Tree, and Joy to the World. And I found some more of these gnome socks. They're green with snowflakes, and they have a gnome on the top of it. Look how cute he is. And then another penguin. I figure my granddaughter would probably like these. The penguin, how cute. I've got some of this fox snow. I'm thinking of, after I put something to weigh the body of a gnome down, maybe fill it with this and just see how it works. For $1, you can't beat it, just to do a little experiment. That way I can have different things on hand to stuff them with. I picked up, this is from the Crafter Square, these pom-poms. They're big ones, blue, black, green, pink, red, and some white ones. And I was so happy when I found this bag of, this little pack of, totally all of them are white pom-poms. And this is in the Crafter Square, so they should be getting these in periodically over the whole year and not just for a holiday. And this one is from Crafter Square, but Christmas, and it is 90 red, green, and white pom-poms in different colors. And this one, I've never seen these before either. They're white on one side, and on the other side they're different, like blue, red, pink, green, yellow, and a few of them are just, no, that's pink, that's yellow on this side and white on this side. And these are the other, I already showed you the ones. These, I picked up 3 of them because they had a lot, and I left some for other people, but I really needed 3 packs of them. And the last few items I picked up for the kittens, for their stocking, a cute little mouse. It's plush, and I can see them now grabbing it by its tail and carrying it around like they do their other little toys. I picked up, these are the last few, they're scarves. I picked up this beautiful black and gray with a little bit of white in it. This is a man's. It is 9.5 inches by 59 inches. This red, white, and blue one, it's a woman's. And the last item is this red, different color, red, white, and blue men's scarf. And they're all the same size as the one that I gave you, 9.5 by 59 inches. So I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up like button. Subscribe to my channel, that way you won't miss any future videos, and click that bell right next to it and leave a comment. I would like to hear from you all, and I hope y'all have a safe and happy day, and Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope your day is filled with all the joy in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.